Now let us discuss the basis, that is direction cosines and direction ratios of a line. Now let us say what are bases. If a straight line PQ make angles alpha, beta, gamma with the three coordinate axes OX, OY and OZ, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, cos are said to be the direction cosines of the line PQ. We denote them as L, M, N. But the relation between L and N is always L square plus M square plus M square is equal to 1. Now, drs of a line. Drs of a line means direction ratio. Any numbers proportional to the direction cosines are called direction ratios. Any numbers proportional to DCs are called DRs, that is direction ratios. Suppose if A1, B1, C1 are DRs of a line, then their DCs are A1 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, comma B1 by root of A1 A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square and C1 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. How to write the DCs like that? If you take these three as L, M, N, then L square plus M square plus M square is 1 in this case. Now, angle between two lines. Suppose if L1, M1, L1 and L2, M2, N2 are the bases of two lines and if theta is the angle between them, then this is the formula for cos theta. Cos theta is equal to L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus M1, N2. Suppose if theta is 90, that means the two lines are perpendicular. Cos theta is cos 90, that is 0. So this must be 0. Note, if the two lines are perpendicular, then theta is equal to 90 degrees. That implies L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equal to 0 because cos 90 is equal to 0. Now let us see this one. Find the angle between the lines whose DCs are related by L plus M plus N is equal to 0 and L square plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. Now, first of all, let us take the given things. Given L plus M plus N is equal to 0, this is one, equation 1, and another one is L square plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. Take it as second equation. Now, from the first one, from 1, L plus or L is equal to minus M or minus of M plus N. L is equal to minus of M plus M. Substitute this value in the second equation. Substitute in 2. Then you will get L square means minus of M plus N whole square. That is M plus N whole square only. M plus N whole square plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. Let us expand this one. That implies M square plus 2Mn plus N square plus M square minus N square equal to 0. So that you can cancel plus N square and minus N square. So the remaining thing is 2M square plus 2Mn equal to 0. Let us take 2m common. This is m plus n. is equal to 0, because the product is 0, either m is 0 or m plus n is 0. That implies m is equal to 0 or m is equal to minus n, because if m plus n is 0, m is equal to minus n. Now I have to take each case separately. If first case m is equal to 0, then L is equal to minus m minus n. L is equal to minus m minus n, that is 0 minus m equal to minus n. M is 0, L is minus n. Then what is L is to m is to n? Equal to, now L is equal to minus n is to m is 0 is to n. That is equal to, you can cancel n on both, in all the three. Minus 1 is to 0 is to 1. So we have to take them as, let a1 is equal to minus 1, b1 is equal to 0, c1 is equal to 1 be the DRs of the first line. Now these are not DCs, they are proportional to DCs, because this is ratio only. They are not directly DCs. So you can take them as DRs. So let us take them as A1, B1 and C1. Now if you consider the second case, that is when m is equal to n minus n, you will get the DRs of the second line. Case 2. If m is equal to minus n, if m is equal to minus n, then L is equal to minus m, actually it is minus m minus n, but m is minus n means plus n minus n, that is 0. L is equal to 0. Now L is to m is to n, L is 0, 0 is to m is equal to minus n is to n is n only. So this is 0 is to minus 1 is to 1 after cancellation of this n in all the three. Now you can take these three as the DRs of the second line. Let A2 is equal to 0, B2 is equal to minus 1 and C2 is equal to 1 be the DRs of second line. Now let us take the angle between the two lines as theta. Let theta be the angle between the two lines. Formula for cos theta: a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of, because these are DRs. If they are L1 M1 N1, L2 M2 N2 the DCs, then L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is the angle between for the value of cos theta. But now the DRs are there, not DCs. That's why I have to convert them to DCs. A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. That is equal to A1 is minus 1, A2 is 0, minus 1 into 0 plus B1 B2, 0 into minus 1 plus C1 C2, 1 into 1 modulus by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square into A2 square plus B2 square plus, that is 0 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So these two are zeros, 1 by root 2 into root 2, that is 2. cos theta is 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So what is that angle theta now? It must be 60 degrees. If you express it in radians, it is equal to pi by 3. That implies theta is equal to pi by 3. That is the angle between the two lines. See this question. Here also I have to find out the angle between two lines whose DCs are represented by these two equations. Now, first one is 3L plus M plus 5N is equal to 0. Take this as 1. And the other equation 6Mn minus 2NL plus 5LM equal to 0. This is second equation. Now, from the first equation, from 1, M is equal to minus of 3L plus 5N. Minus of 3L plus 5N. Substitute this value in the second equation. Substitute in 2. In place of M, you have to write 6M into M is there. So, M is minus of 3L plus 5N. I will put minus sign here. 3L plus 5N plus 2 minus 2NL plus 5L into M. Again M is there, you have to put minus sign here. 5L into 3L plus 5N equal to 0. Now multiply these things. Minus 6N into 3L minus 18LN minus 30N square minus 2LN minus 15L square minus 25LN equal to 0. First of all, let us write L square terms. Minus 15L square. Next Ln terms. Minus 18 minus 2 minus 20 minus 25 minus 45 L into N. Next N square terms. Minus 30 N square equal to 0. Because the right hand side is 0, divide both sides by minus 15. That implies L square plus 3Ln plus 2N square equal to 0. We divided both sides by minus 15. Now let us factorize this one. L square into 2N square. 2L square N square. So you can write 3Ln as L square plus Ln plus 2Ln plus 2N square equal to 0. Take L common. L into L plus N plus 2N into L plus N equal to 0. So that is L plus 2N into L plus N equal to 0. So here also we will get two cases. One is L plus 2N is 0 or L plus N is equal to 0. We have to consider both the cases separately. If L plus 2N is equal to 0, L is equal to minus 2N. Then from this, what is M? M is equal to minus 3L minus 3 into minus 2N plus 5N. From this, M is equal to, because L is minus 2N, minus 3 into minus 2N. So this is 3 into 2 plus 6N plus 5N. Now here this M is equal to minus 3L minus 5N, but we wrote here this is minus 5N. 6N minus 5N is N. Therefore, L is to M is to N is equal to, L is equal to minus 2N I will write it here. L is to m is to n. L is minus 2n is to m is equal to n is to n. So minus 2 is to 1 is to 1 after cancellation of n, because it is a ratio. So you can take these three as the DRs of the first line. Let DRs of first line A1 is equal to minus 2, B1 is equal to 1, C1 is equal to 1. Similarly, I have to find out A2, B2, C2 for the second line by using this condition, if L plus N is equal to 0. If L plus N is equal to 0, L is equal to minus N, then we have to find out M. M is equal to minus 3n minus 5n. So, but L is minus n, minus 3 into minus n plus 3n minus 5n, that is minus 2n. So, what is L is to M is to n now? Equal to L is minus n is to minus 2n is to n, that is minus 1 is to minus 2 is to 1. Now to avoid the two minus signs, you can multiply with minus 1 also. This is 1 is to 2 is to minus 1 also. Now let us take these two as A2 is equal to, let DRs of second line A2 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to 2 and C2 is equal to minus 1. Let us take the angle between the two lines as theta. Let theta be the angle between two lines. Now let us write the formula for cos theta, because here only DRs are there. Cos theta is equal to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 with modulus by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. So that is equal to modulus of A1 into A2 minus 2 into 1, B1 into B2, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus C1 C2, 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 modulus by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square, 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square into this one, 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So that is minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 by, this is root 6 into root 6. These two are cancelled, 1 by 6 because we have taken modulus. So 1 by 6 is the value of cos theta. Cos theta is 1 by 6. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 6. Here also two equations are given for LMN. From that we have to, these are the two equations given. From that we have to show that the two lines represented by these DCs are perpendicular to each other. Now this is the first equation. From this one, L is equal to, from 1, L is equal to minus of M plus N. Substitute this in 2. Substitute in 2. Then what you will get? 2mn. 2mn plus 3n into L. For L you have to write this one, minus of M plus N. So you will get minus sign here, minus 3n into L. 3n into L is minus of M plus N. We already kept minus sign here. This is 5L, 5 minus 5m into L, but L is minus of m plus n. So, you will get plus sign here, plus 5 into m into L value is minus, that is minus is already written, m plus n equal to 0. Now, that implies 2mn minus 3mn minus 3n square plus 5m square plus 5mn equal to 0. That implies 5m square 2mn plus 5mn 7mn minus 3mn 4mn plus 4mn minus 3n square equal to 0. Here 5 into 3 15. For 15 you cannot write 4mn, you cannot split the middle term. So here to get this answer in a different way, divide both sides by n square, divide both sides by n square. That implies 5m square by n square, 5 into m by n whole square plus 4mn by n square, one n is cancelled, 4 into m by n minus 3n square by n square means minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, it is a quadratic equation in terms of m by n, ax square plus bx plus c. Here x is m by n. So, the roots may be taken as m1 by n1 and m2 by n2. Let m1 by n1, m2 by n2 be the roots. Now, what is product of the roots? Product of the roots is equal to m1 by n1 into m2 by n2, that is m1 by n1, that is m1 m2 by n1 n2 is equal to product of the roots formula c by a. C is minus 3 and a is 5, minus 3 by 5. So, you can write it as, you interchange these two, that implies m1 m2 by minus 3 is equal to n1 n2 by 5. You take this result as 3. So, but I will take this as m1 m2 by 3 and minus 5 I will put for this one. But in the next equation you will get m1 m2 by 3. Now, you take, first we have taken L is equal to minus of m plus n from this equation. Now, we find out n from 1. N is equal to minus of L plus m. L plus m. That substitute in 2. Substitute in 2. What we will get? 2 into mn. 2m into n. Minus I have to put. N value is having minus sign. 2m into L plus m minus 2m into L plus m plus 3ln plus 3l into n. N is having minus sign. So, minus 3 into n into, not n, 3l into L plus m minus 5lm equal to 0. Wherever there is n, you have to put minus of L plus m. Now, if you simplify this one, that implies minus 2lm minus 2m square minus 3l square minus 3lm minus 5lm equal to 0. Now, from this you can write 2m square minus 2m square minus 2lm minus 3lm minus 5lm minus 5lm minus 10lm plus minus 3l square. To avoid minus sign, multiply both sides by minus 1. That implies 2m square plus 10lm plus 3l square equal to 0. So, I will write L square first, not this one. Let us write L square term first. 3L square plus 10Lm plus 2M square is equal to 0. Now, divide both sides by M square now. Divide both sides by M square. That implies 3L square by M square. 3 into L square by or L by M whole square plus 10 Lm by M square. One M is cancelled. 10 into L by M plus 2M square by M square plus 2. Now it is a quadratic equation in L by M. Let us take the two roots of this equation as L1 by M1 and L2 by M2. Let L1 by M1 and L2 by M2 be the two roots. Here also let us take the product of the roots as in the previous case. Product of the roots. Is equal to L1 L2 by M1 M2. L1 L2 by M1 M2 is equal to C by A. What is C here? 2. 2 by 3. Now it is equal to, interchange these two, implies L1 L2 by 2 is equal to M1 M2 by 3. Take this as fourth one. So let us compare these two. Here M1 M2 by 3 is common in these two. So you take from 3 and 4. 3 and 4 L1 L2 by 2 is equal to M1 M2 by 3 is equal to M1 M2 by 3 is equal to again N1 N2 by minus 5. N1 N2 by minus 5. Let us take each one is equal to K. That implies L1 L2 is equal to 2K, M1 M2 is equal to 3K and N1 N2 is equal to minus 5K. Now let us take the sum of these three. That implies L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is equal to 2K plus 3K minus 5K. 5K minus 5K, that is 0. Whenever this is the value of cos theta, if theta is the angle between the two lines, cos theta is 0 means theta is equal to 90 degrees. That implies the two lines are at right angles or perpendicular, anyhow, or perpendicular. Here two relations are given between L, M, N. They are the DCs of two lines. Now one is L plus M plus N is 0 and the other one is Mn minus 2NL minus 2L is equal to 0. Let us take those two relations as 1 and 2. From 1, L is equal to minus of M plus N. Minus of M plus N. Substitute this in first equation. Substitute in 1, in 2. Wherever there is L, we have to write minus of m plus n. Mn minus 2n into L. L is minus of m plus n. So, you will get plus 2n into m plus n. Here minus 2m into L. Again this will become plus 2m into m plus n equal to 0. If you simplify this one, this is mn plus 2mn plus 2n square plus 2m square plus 2mn equal to 0. Now this is 2m square mn plus 2mn, 3mn plus 2mn, 5mn plus 2n square equal to 0. Let us factorize this. 2 into 2, 4. You can write this 4 as 4mn plus mn. That is 2m square plus 4mn plus 2n square equal to 0. Now, this implies take 2m common, 2m into m plus 2n. Sorry, here we forgot to write mn. mn 4mn plus mn 5mn plus 2n square equal to 0. Take n common, plus n into m plus 2n equal to 0. That implies 2m plus n into m plus 2n equal to 0. That implies n is equal to minus 2m or m is equal to minus 2m. If you take this is first bracket is 0, you will get this one. If you take second bracket is equal to 0, you will get this one. Now consider these two cases separately. Case 1. If n is equal to minus 2m, then what is L? Minus m minus n. L is equal to minus m minus n, but n is minus 2m. This is minus m, n is minus of minus 2m plus 2m. 2m minus m equal to m, equal to m. Now what is the ratio? What is L is to m is to n? L is equal to m. M is m only, but n is equal to minus 2m. You can cancel my m on all the three, that is 1 is to, 1 is to, minus 2. These are A1, B1, C1. DRs of first line. These are DRs of first line. Then what are the DCs? What is L? So L1, what is root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square? Is equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 whole square, that is root 6. So what is L1? L1 is A1 by this one, A1 by root 6, that is 1 by root 6. Similarly M1, B1 by root 6. B1 is 1 by root 6, and N1 C1 by root 6, that is C1 by root 6, that is minus 2 by root 6. Therefore, these are the DCs of the first line. Now consider the second case, we will get the DCs of second line. Case 2. If, what is the other one? M is equal to minus 2m. If m is equal to minus 2n, then what is L? Minus m minus n. L is equal to minus m minus n. Write the value of m as minus 2n. Minus of minus 2n plus 2n minus n, that is equal to n. Now what is L is to m is to n? Equal to L is n, m is minus 2n, is to n is n only. So that is 1 is to minus 2 is to 1. Let us take these three as A2, B2, C2. They are the DRs of the second line. This is equal to A2, B2, C2. These are DRs of second line. So A2 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to minus 2, C2 is equal to 1. What is root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square? This is 1 plus 4 plus 1. Again it is root 6. Now what are the DCs of the second line? Let us take those DCs as L2, M2, N2. So L2 is equal to A2 by this one, root of A2 by root 6 equal to 1 by root 6, and M2 B2 by this value root 6, B2 is minus 2 by root 6, and N2 C2 by root 6 equal to 1 by root 6. So the DCs of the second line are 1 by root 6, minus 2 by root 6, and 1 by root 6. Whereas 1 by root 6, 1 by root 6, minus 2 by root 6 are the DCs of the first line.